Good evening. Gabriella decided that she wanted octopus for dinner tonight. So, give me 1 second here. Okay, and we got the eyes out. And we got the head. And we got our water boiling. And there's our octopus. Where are you, Gab?
Right here.
Well, come around. You want to touch it? I'm gonna put it around your neck?
No. Don't,
what?
Don't even think about it.
Alright.
Oh my gosh.
Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah. This is my first time, guys, catching an octopus not cooked. But still, it's slimy.
Slimy? It's not slimy.
Yes, it is.
You should, this would fit on your head, you know.
No, don't even think about it.
Call it a wig.
Don't even think about it.
Alright, I won't.
Thank you. I mean, seriously, guys, don't try this at home, guys.
Don't try this at home. Okay. Alright, let go. We've got to dip it in the water. We want to tighten these legs up. 1. 2. Now this is real easy. I mean, this is an onion, a teaspoon of garlic, several bay leaves, ouch, a little bit of olive oil, and that is going to cook for about 40 minutes until it's nice and tender. Could be 45. But anyway, as you can see, he's sitting pretty in there. And then we're going to take it out, cool it off, and we put it on the campfire and char those legs up a little bit. Oh, that is good. So we're going to bring you out to the campfire a little bit later. You'll see the results. It's been about 45 minutes. Let's see how this is. I think he's doing all right. Oh yeah, that's looking pretty. As you can see, I've already taken out the beak. I did that before I put it in the water. Let him cool off a little bit, and then we're going to cut off his legs, and we'll put him on the grill. As you can see, they shrank down so bad. This was like a 4-pound octopus, and by the time you cook them down, well, they shrink down big time. But they are so good. Wait till you see how that chars up the legs a little bit. And if they're not chewy, I mean, if you think that that's going to be chewy, you're wrong. It is delicious. So, we'll be back in a little while. We're going to put him on the fire. Okay, and we're back. Well, I got a little ahead of myself. I actually cut the legs up, as you can see, and we've got it on the fire. We're going to char these up a little bit. They're going to be so good. As you can see there, it's not a big fire pit tonight, but it's okay. This will work. And I'm going to toast them up a little bit, and they're tender, they're juicy, they're going to be good. They're done. They are deliciously tender. Like I said, don't knock it until you try it. Okay, with that, bon appetit. Thank you for joining us with Cooking with the Count. Please follow us on YouTube. Don't forget our website, www.cookingwiththecount.com. God bless, keep it between the lines, and bon appetit. That is good. God, that is good.